green, we have blue. Blue, awesome. Okay, before we put the blue on, though, we're going to put some clear, alright? So go ahead, fill it up with clear up to the line of the section. Keep going. Almost. Stop. Blue, right? Awesome. So now you're going to fill it up with the blue to the 13, okay? Until it gets to 13. Just like a few more drops in there. Sweet. There we go, that's good. Yeah, let's get the cap on nice and tight. Alright. Take it up real hard. Real hard. And let's watch what happens. Watch what happens. Do you know what the clear is? Not quite, it's actually baby oil. And the blue is the water with food coloring in it. So that goes to the bottom and the oil goes to the top. And they don't like to mix. Water and oil don't like to mix. That's why when you need to wash your hands after eating greasy food, you need to use soap. Because if you just run water over them, they won't get clean. Or
like steak and vegetables don't mix. Steak.
Or same thing if you're like doing dishes, you have like greasy plates, you're just trying to use water, the grease kind of like bubbles up on top. That's why you gotta use soap to clean greasy plates, because the water and the oil don't like to mix. Pretty cool, huh?
Would you like to make one?
Wanna make one? Tyson, do you wanna make one?
You see the number 16?
Where's 6 at?
You see the number 16?
Where is 6? He's gonna fill it up. That's it.
And squeeze it.
Blue.
You see the date?
Our pleasure.
What you got back here? How you doing?
Doesn't have to be that precise.
Sure. Pick it up. Harder. Come on. Like you mean it. Come on, let's eat. Put it on his cap.
Alright, and you fill it to the 13 with the blue.
Watch what happens.
This one you should just be able to squeeze.
What happens?
Jelly, you want to get the tip out so you don't get some oil going back
Water
inside.
is more dense than the oil. The water goes to the
Good
bottom.
job.
The oil goes to the top.
Okay, so close it up.
No matter how long you check that for, it's always going to do that.
Does it rotate?
Make
mix it up. You're trying to mix it as hard as you can, try to make it just a good color.
Make it more.
Yeah, mix more. Mix more. Alright. Yeah. Now put it on the
All right.
Listen to her so that when you get to see the class, you can tell us all what exactly happened. Okay, so I want you to focus up to the 6. What? To 6.
See the number 6 there?
Okay, yes. So what color do you want? Red, green, or blue? Red. Alright. And I will assume that the red is water. So can you fill up to the 13? On this side, just squeeze it. Up to the 13. That's right. And cap it off real tight. Good. So right now we have red on top and red on the bottom. And I'm gonna bet you that even if you shake it really hard and mix it up really well, yeah, have at it. And when you stop like this. So what do you see happening?
What color would you like? Red, green, or blue?
And it's separating again, right? You have the white on top and the red on the bottom. So the white is oil, and the red is just colored water. And oil and water don't really like each other. So even if you...
What happens if oil and water probably do?
Here's looking at green.
So even when they do mix, they'll always try and find oil, always try to find more oil, and water will try to find more water, and eventually they'll separate it, which is what just happened here. So now that you're eating really greasy food, or you get your hands all oily, if you just wash with water, it's not going to get it off, right? The water doesn't really pull off the oil. So you have to make sure you use soap. Alright, well good job, that's yours.
Did I just come
Okay.
Watch it completely squeeze it and then all you do is stop.
So tell me when we get to the number 6.
Okay. Now we're gonna take the blue and fill it all the way up to the 13. Where's 13? You know where 13 is, right? So keep looking. Count all the way till you get to 13. Yeah, good. Okay, so we're gonna fill the blue up to there. So tell me when to stop. Okay.
Now,
Guys, tell me when we get to number 13.
Tell me to stop. What we're gonna do is close it really tight, and then can you shake it for me? Really, really, really. Shake it. Shake.
Shake it up for me.
right now,
Hard as you can. Hard.
right here.
And then keep it on its top.
Alright, now put it on the cap.
So do you see all of the little bubbles?
What's happening?
And how the white bubbles go up to the top, and the blue bubbles go to the bottom?
Let's put it
It's because the clear stuff is oil, and the liquid is
You see
salt.
happening?
And oil and water don't really like each other. So when you mix them up together, they're always going to want to separate. And then the blue is water, which is heavier, so it'll go to the bottom. So you can shake it however many times you want,
It's baby oil and water.
and then the clear will always be on the top, fresh will always be on the bottom. Is that cool?
Water
So they
goes-
separate. Do you remember
Yeah,
why the blue goes to
water
the
goes
bottom?
down from the oil, so it goes to the
Water
bottom.
and it's
The oil
heavier.
goes to the top.
Can you look at our thank you? What color is it? Thank you.
Number 6, can you tell me what that is? Right here. Tell me when to stop. So to get to number 6, just say stop. Stop! Perfect. Thank you. And what color do you like? Red, blue, or green? You like red?
Right there,
I like
perfect.
red too. So when it gets to number 13, tell me stop again, okay? Stop. Thank you. And we're going to close it really tight because we don't want to spill it all over, right? Okay. Now, yeah, shake it as hard as you can. But see, we already know the steps. Perfect. Thank you. So, we're going to flip it over and we're going to watch what happens.
You want red too?
Okay.
Alright, can you guys unscrew your caps? Alright, now I want you to fill up your tubes to number 6 and then show me when you're done. So you can squeeze the bottom.
You gotta take the little cap off the end.
Do you want me to do it? Okay.
Right. Don't squeeze too much.
Is it at the 6
But then it gets to the 6.
Is it at the 6?
Is there?
No? Is it at the 6 now?
6?
Okay, can you show me? Yeah. Can you show me? Okay, where's the 6?
Right there, perfect. What colors you want? Alright, what color? Red? Okay.
I know, I'm just...
Tell me when it gets to the number
So
13.
you poured a
at the very
little bit
top.
too much, right? Alright, can you see how high you poured it? What number?
Not yet, not yet. Right there, perfect.
10?
That's a little,
Okay, so
little
now we
more,
have to dump
that's
some
okay.
back, right?
Alright.
You can pour a little bit back.
Right there. Shake it up for me as hard as you can.
Okay, now check
Hard as you
again.
can. Shake it up.
What number
Harder.
is that?
Come on. Like you mean it.
Alright, do
Harder.
you need to pour out some more?
Keep going. Alright, now put it on the cap. Put it on the cap.
7.
Watch out. What happened?
What's happening? Are they separated? Liquid separated?
Yep. Alright, good job.
So
Okay, now, thank you.
baby oil and the red is the water.
Now carefully take the red and you're going to put it up to the 13, okay?
What happens if I mix it again? Are they going to separate or are they going to mix? They're going to separate again. Because oil and water don't mix. No matter how many times you shake it
Tell
up
me when to
or put it
stop.
on, they're always going to separate.
Time to stop.
Even if they do it tomorrow or in a week or in a month, oil and water are never going to mix together. Never, never, never.
Okay, so I want you to shake it up as hard as you can. Harder. Alright, now turn it over and put it on its cap. Turn it over and put it on its cap. So what's happening?
You don't believe me?
Can you shake it up harder so that it's all one color? Alright, so what happens? What do you think is happening? Is it separating? Is it separating? Yeah? It's not mixed anymore, right? So what's in this tube is water and oil, and they never ever mix. So which one do you think is water?
Like all day. And that's why
So if I told you that water is heavier than oil, which one do you think is water now? If I tell you water is heavier than oil, which one do you think it is?
Just ruined.
just know it.
Now you gotta wait a long time for it to go back to you that way. No,
So what do you think?
Itself.
If water is the heavier one, which one do you think is water?
Completely back to the
If I told you water sinks,
See, it's already getting a little more clear, right?
do you think it's this one on the bottom?
Look on top.
The less you shake it, the faster
So the
it'll
water
separate.
has food coloring in it, and it's at the bottom, and the oil is what floats on top. So if you shake it again,
The more you shake it, the longer it takes. You figured that out earlier.
which one do you think will be at the top of this one, the clear or the green?
Oh, what? That's water. Why is it black? It's blue. It's just a really, really dark blue.
So it has food coloring.
Food coloring and water.
We put food coloring so you can see the what will happen if you put clear water.
Are you sure you want blue? You want green or red?
We're going to close the cups really, really
Try
tight.
and fill it up to the 13.
And shake it as hard as you can.
Oh, stop. All the way. A little bit harder. Is it okay if it's a little
Yeah.
bit too much? It's fine.
And watch what happens. You mix them, right? So they're supposed to mix. But what's going on?
Alright, so can you shake your tube as hard as you can?
Shake it.
And then put it on the top just like your sister?
So what
So what's happening inside of
Well,
this?
there's baby oil, right? And the baby oil
You
is
had
a
mixed
lot
them,
lighter
right?
than the water.
Why aren't they
Water's very
mixing?
heavy. So the water's going to sink to the
So
What are the two things that people say never mix? Do you remember or have you learned? Okay, so water and oil never mix. And if I told you that water is heavier, which one do you think is true?
Are they going to separate or are they going to mix?
Blue or
Are they going to separate again? So
clear?
you shake it tomorrow.
So water's heavier. Which one do you think is top or bottom?
It's heavier and it falls to the floor. But your water, if it's heavier, it's floaters and it falls. Falls.
Oh, so which color is the water? So it looks clear because like water's clear, right? But there's actually food coloring in here, and because water's the heavier one, it's actually at the bottom. So what do you think this is?
Oil or water?
So you know that it's water and oil, and if this is the water, what do you think this is? Oil. So if you shake it again,
Shake it.
and then put it on the cap, which one is going to the bottom? Water, and then the oil is going to the top, right? Because water is heavier or denser than oil, so it's always safe, and they never mix. You can always see the two.